I wanted to say I have a special guest today, but actually I am visiting her little palace, and you can tell that she's an experienced model when you see all those artworks in the room. And on top of that, she is an artist herself and a costume designer, and I found that really interesting. I have been designing for theater myself for over 10 years, and I'm starting to pick it up again because I miss it, and I think it gives an extra dimension to my work. When you create yourself, you can really make exactly what you had in mind, and that is also what I love about photography. So with a love for fabric, I thought it was nice to visit her home and work with the materials that she has. So we started to decorate the workshop upstairs where she creates her costumes, and I thought it would be light enough because it has a big window, but it was a really dark, cloudy day and it was not enough. But I did have an extra continuous light in my car that I could bring. That really helped. Marie does not only love to create and to talk, she also likes to smoke, which is not a good habit, we all know that. But for my image, I was really looking for someone who was a smoker. She did an excellent job smoking, and I have to say I'm not a smoker myself, so it was pretty intense. Still, when I came home, I thought the smoke was not enough, so I went back to my home studio and I shot some extra shots of smoke. The extra smoke was created in the dark home studio with a dark backdrop, and I lit some incense, and incense gives you really nice, detailed, mysterious smoke. I used lots of layers of that smoke, made one big picture of it, and I used that as an overlay. Again, you can fill in the story yourself. I think you can guess what inspired me, who inspired me. I can only refer to my topic that I am concerned and I am wondering a lot. And this time it's about our fresh food that we buy and eat. Are we sure the poison came from the apple? Fruits are contagious these days. Like true love, waking you up from a deep sleep.